Jay! Do it, Jay.
Your drink's on the table, buddy. Tell me what's wrong. Why are you sad?
Because Michael's thinking at me.
Michael what?
Michael's thinking at me.
Michael stuck his tongue at you?
Yeah.
Are you sure that's why you're upset?
Yeah.
Michael doesn't know how to stick out his tongue at you.
Yeah, he did this. Because did that.
So that's why you're this upset?
Yeah. Where's the guy?
This little guy right here, this cute little guy right here stuck his tongue out at you.
Yeah.
I don't believe it.
I do something.
Why don't we be happy now? Can we be happy now?
Like, I don't know how to.
You don't know how to be happy?
No.
That's a shame, because Santa Claus is coming in 6 days. But he only comes for good little boys and girls. You want to try being good?
No, I can't do it.
You can't do it. You want to go to Miss Astor's?
Yeah.
Can you be happy?
Yeah, I don't know how to get my tears away.
You don't know how to get your tears away? How about you come give me a hug? Maybe that'll help.